Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Soraya. Well, here we are at the end of 2024. Where did the time go? It has just flown by. I hope it's been a good year. I just wanted to hop on real quick to say thank you. Thank you so very much for your support, your comments. I love reading everything that you say and that you're trying out the sponge technique. That's wonderful. And above everything else, I wish you all good health and happiness for the new year, 2025. It's around the corner. Amazing. So this video is a recap of all of the tutorials and paintings that I created throughout 2024. So enjoy. This painting was created for my grandson. He requested it. I was thrilled that this painting went all the way to California. I am always so thrilled when a painting does sell, and I'm looking forward for those that haven't to finally find their new home. If you are interested in purchasing the originals, I have links in the description area where you can contact me. I'll leave links in the description area for the tutorials in case you want to watch those. Fellow artist Kathy Nordland purchased this painting from me. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in the description area. I created this painting using only 2 types of sponges. I really do love all my paintings, but this one here in particular for some reason really gets to me, and I love it even more because you can use it vertically as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for your love and support throughout 2024. I really appreciate it. If you see anything in the tutorials that you think you need a little bit more explanation, please don't hesitate to contact me. I always make sure I read every single comment, and if you need a little help with something that you're trying to accomplish that I can help with, I would be happy to do so. So make sure you get a hold of me either through comments or through my email. Whatever way suits you is good for me as well. So thank you so much again, and I wish you all a very happy and safe 2025. All the very best to you. Thank you.